Hi, today I'll show you how to set up a project in Air Magnet Survey Pro and recalibrate the floor plan. This video is for beginners who want to perform RF site surveys using Air Magnet. So let's start. Here you can see the wireless cards which are connected to your computer. So we select only Proxim wireless card, which we use for this survey, and then we click OK. The program takes a while it starts. Here the program is asking whether we should open the last project or not, as we are setting up new project, so click on no. Then click File, New Project. Here you can enter the project name. It can be anything, but try to enter a meaningful name here. So in this case it's a test project, so we just enter test project. Next thing, you have to select project type, but we never changes it as we are doing mostly indoor surveys, so we always use this type of project. So non-GPS project, directory from your computer and save your files over there. In this case I'm saving my projects in Air Magnet projects. You can select this set as the file project directory, then click next. Here in this step we insert the floor plan in the project, so click on the browse button and browse the image where you have saved it. Here is the floor plan for this project. The unit of measurement, we always use meters, but in countries where feet so use, so they can use feet as well. The floor dimension, in this stage we don't enter any floor dimensions. We will calibrate it later when we set up the project. So click next. We use the first option if the office is walled, or it's a hotel, or it's another environment where there are so many rooms, etc. So we use that option. If the office is open office, so the second option. For warehouses or production areas or open areas, we use commercial warehouse option. And when we select these options, so it changes the signal propagation assessment, but we can change it manually as well. For example, if we have selected commercial warehouse and we want the signal propagation assessment to be at 6 meters, so we can just change it from here and it will work fine. We normally leave AP power at default, but it's a good practice to always ask your customer that what they want you to use here. So after that, click next. Here you can enter the project description. It's an optional field. So this is a test project, and then click finish. Now we have set up the project, and the Air Magnet is asking us that the dimensions of floor plans were left default during the project creation. So do you want to calibrate it? Of course we want to calibrate it, so we click on yes here. But if accidentally you click on no, they start the measurement by clicking this icon. So yes, we want to calibrate it. Then you choose an area on the floor plan and even take the actual measurement on site. For example, if you have chosen a door or a corridor on site, where you take the actual measurement and then do calibration here. But in my view, if you are doing a bigger site, so never go for doors, always choose a long corridor or a big area where you can take measurement. In this case, I'll do the measurement from here. Okay, it shows 34 meter, but the actual distance is around 20 meters. So we will enter 20 meters here. Then we have dual direction recalibration and x direction recalibration, as we have measured here x axis, so that's why it's showing x axis here. If we leave selected dual direction recalibration, so it will recalibrate both axes, and if we just select x direction recalibration, so it will just recalibrate x axis, and we will have to separately recalibrate the y axis. So we always leave dual direction recalibration and then click OK. So the floor plan will be recalibrated, but I always double check whether the calibration is even correct for the other axis as well. So I come here, click on the measure mode and select no, because I don't want to recalibrate. I just want to double check if the y-axis is also the same as the actual site measurement. So I take the actual measurement first on site and then select a long distance here and check whether it matches the actual measurement or not. If it matches the actual measurement, then I do nothing. If it doesn't matches the actual measurement, then we select again the measure mode, click on yes, measure a distance here, and just select y direction recalibration and enter the actual value of the y direction as well, and then recalibrate and stuff. So it solves the issue. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will be followed by more videos at more advanced level. So thank you very much. Bye bye.